Shopping centres are sanitised in Seoul. Government employees are sterilising public transport as the South Korean government steps up efforts to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Joint military exercises with the United States have been postponed after an American soldier stationed at a base near Daegu tested positive.
The containment efforts of COVID-19 and the safety of ROK and U.S. service members were prioritised in making this decision.
The largest daily increase in the number of infections has been in Daegu, a city in the southeast, where a church at the centre of the outbreak is located. As the virus spreads, the government has postponed some annual school exams and is asking people to avoid large crowds. Around 40 countries are now restricting travellers from South Korea.
The
government feels very sorry that our citizens have gone through the inconvenience in the process of entering foreign countries due to the country's sudden entry restriction measures.
The epicentre of the outbreak, Hubei, remains under lockdown, while cities in the rest of China are slowly returning to work. China reported the lowest death toll in a month on Thursday. The number of infections rose slightly.
The first case happened in China, but that doesn't mean the source is in China. The foreign prediction of when this will be contained says end of May or June. We think it will be the end of April.
But some countries are not taking any risks. Australia has gone one step further than the World Health Organization, declaring the coronavirus a global pandemic and enacting an emergency response plan.
We believe that the risk of a global pandemic is very much upon us, and as a result, as a government, we need to take the steps necessary to prepare for such a pandemic.
Schools here in Hong Kong have been closed since January and will remain shut until at least the 20th of April. Japan too has announced that it will shut all schools until March. China may be optimistic it can contain the outbreak by April, but with the virus spreading faster outside, many countries are now not taking any risks. Sarah Clarke, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.